Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to update your product quantities in bulk with AdLister. Once you have AdLister open, navigate to the Products section. Let's say you have some products that need to have the same quantities on them. Highlight those products and click on the Product Actions dropdown. And from here, select the option to Bulk Update to Quantity. A pop-up window will appear where you will need to select to which platforms you want to update the quantity on. Select the platform you want to update the quantity on, and then you have the option of either adding, deducting, or making the quantity equal to a specific amount. And as this message suggests, if the set quantity is equal to 0, then the platforms will be updated with the quantity that eBay has for those products. Afterwards, you can simply just update the products, or you can highlight the Revise option, and this way the changes will get pushed onto the selected platform, in this case eBay. If you just click on the Update button, do not forget to highlight again these products and revise them with the Quantity option so the changes reflect on eBay as well. I hope this video helped you understand how to update your product quantities in bulk. If you're interested in AdLister and all its features, feel free to go over our library of videos, visit our websites in the links below, and also don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you for watching.